The overall goal of this protocol is to stain actin and microtubule cytoskeletons at the B-cell immune synapse for stimulated emission depletion, or STED microscopy, in imaging their structure, organization, and spatial relationships.
This method can help answer key questions about cytoskeletal organization during B-cell activation, including the reorganization of the actin and microtubule cytoskeletons during immune synapse formation. The main advantage of multicolor STED microscopy is that it allows simultaneous imaging of the actin cytoskeleton, the microtubule network, and key cytoskeleton-associated proteins at nanometer scale resolution.
Although this method can provide insights into B-cell activation, it can also be applied to immune synapse formation in other immune cell types, such as natural killer and T cells.
Generally, individuals new to this method will find that optimizing the microscope settings for the simultaneous imaging of multiple fluorophores using STED will require some practice.
Demonstrating this procedure, along with John and Madison, will be Kate Choi and Caitlin Pritchard.
Begin by centrifuging 2.5 times 10 to the 6 A20 B lymphoma cells per each transfection, and resuspending the cells and 100 microliters of transfection reagent supplemented with 1 to 2.5 micrograms of the plasmid DNA of interest. Mix the solutions gently and transfer each aliquot of cells into individual wells of a 6-well plate. Adjust the volume in each well to 2 milliliters with 30